Hey everyone, it's Bree. I thought I'd hop on real quick and show y'all the brand new January 2021 Hip Kit Club kits, and I'll just get right into it. What I have right now on my desk is the main kit, and we'll just go through it real quick. I will have links in the description box below. I'm not sure if any have sold out yet. The main kit may have already been sold out. I'm not sure, but I'll have a link in the description box below. So if you like any of these kits, definitely head on over and snag them while you can. Okay, so there are a lot of exclusives in this month's kit. I think all of these items are exclusive, and the collection is called Dream Big, and it was designed by both Kim Watson and Kimberly Hutchinson. So here are the exclusive ephemera, and look how many come in this package. Well, there's 44, and here are some of the icons that come in there. So there's cats, bird, this cute dress form, lots of florals, rainbows. My favorite thing about this month's kit is the purple. I absolutely love purple, and you don't see it too often in collections, so this really makes me happy. Here are some puffy stickers. Got buttons and hearts. Get to these exclusive wood veneer. Look how awesome these are. There's so many. I love that they have a lot of phrases on them as well as little shapes. All right, here are some chipboard stickers. Trying to get everything in frame. Look how cute these shoes are. That's a cute dog. All right. Here are the alphas. I love this font, and these are puffy. So we get lots of each letter. All right. Now here are the papers in the main kit. Now what I did is I got the paper kit as well, so I'm just showing you the B side. So here are all the A side papers. So pretty. I love all the florals, polka dot. I mean, look at this rainbow. You could fussy cut it and stitch it. These frames, you could fussy cut the frames out. Look at the rainbows. I love the star paper. That's cute. And then these florals, of course. So these are the A side. Now here are the B side. Whoops. B sides, I should say. We've got pretty pink, pretty pink wood grain. Some hearts. It's a plaid pattern. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love these papers so much. This pretty gray, and then this excuse me, like dashed pattern. So this was from the paper kit. Now here is the cardstock kit. You get 2 of each color. This is coral cream, chiffon, get basil white. This is purple palisades, turquoise mist, tutu pink. This one is typhoon, and powder blue. So some gorgeous cardstocks that match the collection, or I'm sorry, the kits. Very nice. All right, so here is the Pocket Life kit. You get a bunch of exclusive Pocket Life cards. I won't go through them in depth, like too in depth, so this video isn't too crazy long. I'm trying to just separate them and lay them down. Oops. There's multiple sizes, which is awesome depending on how you're scrapbooking. If you do 12 by 12 layouts, if you do traveler's notebooks, memory planning, Pocket Life, obviously. Yeah, so these are so versatile. If you don't Pocket Life or Pocket Scrapbook, you can use them on a number of things. I don't Pocket Life Scrapbook. I did try it, but I still get this kit because I do love all of the exclusive cards, and I like to add them into my projects as layering pieces and in my traveler's notebooks. Okay, so this is also still from the Pocket Life kit. So you get these puffy stickers. Great. Excuse me. We get these chipboard stickers, and they're all phrases, and there are so many on here. There's 52. This makes me so happy. I love these kinds of stickers, like these tiny text stickers, and the fact that they're chipboard. Last month we got puffy stickers, so I love these. Those are awesome. Here are these puffy stickers. They're like little, what are they called? Conversation, like not a cloud, but like a, You know what I'm saying? Why can't I find the word? Anyways, but yeah, these would be so cute coming out of your pictures. We get these small alpha puffy stickers in that, I think it's similar to that other font, but I love the color. And then we get the dark blue. So yeah, lots of alphas. And these puffy stickers, so cute. Oh, look at the dogs in the basket. Or a dog and a cat. Yeah, that's a cat. So cute. And then we get these clear stickers, which these are great. I don't know if you've purchased December's kits, but these are clear stickers, but they've got a nice weight to it. They're pretty thick, and I like them so much because you can put, you can obviously layer them on your projects directly, or you can put them on a piece of cardstock, white cardstock, and like just trim around them so they can be embellishments and you can layer them up on things. Okay, so that was the Pocket Life kit, and here is the embellishment kit. So we get these puffy alphas in white. So lots of alphas. You will never run out of alphas. These chipboard stickers, which have a ton on there. Lots of phrases, the unicorns. Oh my gosh, they're so fun. I cannot wait to create with this kit. You also get this pack of chipboard stickers, which has frames and like florals and hearts and these little cross stitch frames. I don't know what they're called, sorry. But this would be fun to make little shakers out of. Oh my gosh, so cute. All right, we also get these cardstock fringe pieces, and they're all, you can see here that they're fringed. So cute. And then we get another set of ephemera, and so basically they're all floral pieces. All right, so that was the embellishment kit. Now the color kit, this month you get an exclusive stencil, which is awesome. We get these watercolor rolled paper or rolled floral die cuts, and basically you could paint them on and create rolled flowers with, which are fantastic, and they're thick enough, they've got a nice weight to them so that they can take color sprays and the colors in the color kit. That would be fun to color all those florals up. So all of these colors match the kits very nicely. The first one is called Precious Posy, and it's an Inklings by Shimmer's Paints. It's a gorgeous purple. The second one is an Inklings. It's called Meet Me at Sunset. It's like a really pretty gold. And with these, you just simply add water to them to get them activated and let them sit for a couple minutes, and they'll be ready to go. We also get one spray, which is a Vibes, and it's called Snowy Man, and it's a really, really pretty blue. And that's it. Like, these kits are jam-packed, like always. Like, there's so many beautiful elements. I love the colors. It's just such a great transition, you know, from like Christmas and then to like the New Year colors to these spring colors, which I love. I absolutely love all the pastels, the purples, like the little pinks and the blues. This kit makes me so happy. So yeah, I will definitely have links to everything below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and I will be happy to answer anything that you might have. But yeah, stay tuned. They are starting to arrive at everyone's doorsteps. I know there was a slight delay, but honestly, it was worth the wait, and I hope you guys are super excited about these kits. And stay tuned for lots of projects, excuse me, that will be shared via social media from our awesome design team. Yeah, and I can't wait to get started. So y'all have a great day, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.